Well, today's the maiden voyage of my new kayak and Willy. Willy's in the boat today. Willy's with us. Hi, Willy. Hi, buddy. Hi, Willy. How you doing, bud? And he seems to be doing all right. This is his first time out, so we'll see how he does with it. Okay, so Willy's doing something funny. Oh, I guess he's just standing up. Hey, Willy, what's up, buddy? What's up, Willy? You feeling more comfortable now, huh? Getting more comfy now? Good boy. He'll get used to it. So Willy's our kayaking buddy now. How you doing, Willy? Hey, buddy. Getting wet? No, not too wet.